So step one, we now want to prove tan chord theorem. I've got to actually prove that this angle is 40 degrees. The first thing I'm going to do is construct a diameter through O from, let's say, F. So the first step would definitely be to construct diameter FC. Constructing diameter FC and then line FB or chord FB, which means that angle FBC is equal to 90 degrees. Angle FBC is equal to 90 degrees, and the reason for that is because of angles in a semicircle. Okay? So angle FBC is equal to 90 degrees, angles in a semicircle. I also know that angle F is equal to 40 degrees, which is this angle here, because both these angles are subtended by chord BC. So that's going to be angles in the same segment, the butterfly, because they're both subtended by chord BC. So you've got the same chord which is reaching out for an angle at the circumference, which means every single angle that it reaches out for will be equal, in this case 40 degrees. Because this is 90 degrees, I'm going to call this C1 and C2. I can see angle C1 is going to be equal to 50 degrees according to this calculation in this triangle in particular. So angle C1 will be equal to 50 degrees because of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. I also know, because I'm given this as a tangent DE is perpendicular to FC, which I constructed. And the reason is because tangents are perpendicular to diameters. It's also perpendicular to the radius, which forms the diameter. So it's perpendicular to OC and FC. And perpendicular means 90 degrees. So therefore x must equal 40 degrees because those two angles add up to 90 because of the tangent being perpendicular to the construction. So x is equal to 40 degrees, and the reason is because 90 minus 50 is 40. And what does that mean? It is complementary angles. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. And I'm done. So therefore x is equal to 40 degrees. If I had to just write the statement, it would be x equals 40 degrees, and the reason would be tan chord theorem, implying that is all of that there is the tan chord theorem. Okay.